So hey guys, I welcome you all to this channel. So this video is going to be very important for MSc Chemistry students, as I am going to explain you about the form filling procedure of UPSC Geochemist examination. So if you don't know about the UPSC Geochemist examination, you can check the link in the description box. I have given you entire details about the eligibility, the number of seats and entire syllabus of this examination in detail. So you can check for that video in the description box, but this video is about the form filling process. So this is the official website of the UPSC, and this is the first part of the form filling, that is the OTR, that is the one-time registration. So if you are a candidate who has already given this exam in 2022 and in 2023, then you must be already knowing about the OTR. So if you have the OTR ID, you can directly proceed with the registration, the part 1 and the part 2. But if you don't have the OTR ID, first you need to make your own OTR, and for that you have to click on this new registration. Once you click on the new registration, you will be directed to this page where you have to enter all your details, your name as per your class 10th, if you have ever changed your name, your gender, then your date of birth, then your father's name. Then you have to enter all the details and you have to press the submit button. So after entering all your details, you have to check once and make sure that entire detail filled by you is correct, and then you have to proceed with the submit button. Now after you proceed with the submit button, you have to again come here at the registration box. You can select home and come back to the registration box and start filling your application form. So you can either fill the application by entering your email ID, through your email ID or mobile number or OTR ID. So if I enter my email ID and I generate OTP, so one OTP will be received on my email ID, and through that I can fill the form. Or same can be done through mobile number or through OTR ID. So through this you can log in. So once you log in, you're going to see this page. So this is about the important instructions to fill the online application form. So you can read all this, but I will suggest you to click on the latest notification part. So you can directly click on this link, latest notification, and once you click on this link, you will be redirected to this page where you can see that these examinations, the registration of these examinations are continuously going on. So this is the combined geochemist examination, so we will fill the form for this examination. So the last date is 10th of October, and this is if you want to update your OTR. If you think that you have made some mistake, you can update, but I will suggest you to click on this link for your form filling. So this is the part 1 of your registration. So once you click on this link, then you are going to get redirected to this page which says the important instructions to fill the online application form. So you can read all this, but I will suggest you to skip all this and click on yes. So once you click on this, that you have read entire details, so you will be redirected to this page where you will see that your name, your gender, your date of birth, father's name, mother's name, everything is already written because you have filled the OTR. So these details are already written, and your alternate mobile number, your alternate email ID, everything is already mentioned. So you don't have to worry about all those details, but you have to fill the examination application details, that is your nationality, your marital status, whether you belong to PWD, and your category, then if the fee remission allowed. So if you are SC/ST category, if you are PWD category, if you are a girl candidate, you don't need to pay any fees. So this will be written as yes, that fee remission is allowed for you. But since I'm a boy, so and I'm from general category, so this is not applicable to me, and for the same applies for the EWS categories and the OBS category. So for those, fee remission is not allowed and you have to pay the entire fees. So the next thing, you have to select your subject, that is I have selected MSc in chemistry. So since this is a chemistry page, so I am telling you about the chemistry. So these are the address details that you have to fill. Then after verifying everything once, you can click on the continue button. So this is the continue button you have to click. Once you click on the continue button, the next thing is about claiming age relaxation. So this is about the age relaxation. So I have selected no option because I don't want to claim any age relaxation. Then I have pressed the continue button. This is the continue button. Once you press on the continue button, the next part is this part where you have to enter your photo ID details. That is, so the photo ID which you select here, you should have that photo ID because you have to take that photo ID in your examination. If it is PAN card, you have to keep that PAN card during your examination also. So select the photo identity card, enter the correct photo identity number, then you have to upload the scanned photo identity card document, and it should be under 300 KB and it should be PDF. It is all everything is written here that it should be a PDF document, and please don't upload password protected document. So make sure you are not uploading a password protected document, since after uploading you will come to this section where you will select that if you are applying for chemist group A or scientist B chemical, or both chemist group A and scientist B chemical. So I have applied for this because in this chemist group A there are 13 vacancies and in this there are 2 vacancies. So you will be competing for both, so you will be competing for 15 seats. So make sure you are clicking on both chemist group A and scientist B. So then you can select the center for combined geoscientist mains examination. So see, this is the center for mains examination. This is no, after you qualify a preliminary examination, you will be sitting on the mains examination. So you have to select center for that. So make sure the center is nearest to your place, nearest to your home place. So select that center and press on the continue button. So once you press on the continue button, so your part 1 registrations detail is entirely filled. You can check this, and if it is right, you can proceed by entering this key here and captcha key, and then you will press I agree button. But if you think you need to make any changes in the part 1 of this form, so you have to click on update. This is the region where you can update, and you can proceed with updating your part 1 section. But if you click on I agree that everything is every detail is correct, then this will be the pop-up that will be showing once you agree, no changes will be permissible in part 1 registration of your application. So you will be clicking OK button, and then you will be redirected to this page which will be showing that you have completed the part 1 of your online application procedure. So you have completed the part 1. You will check entire details, your registration ID, name, father's name, mother's name, and you will write this registration ID and keep this for your future purpose, and you will take a screenshot of this. And after that, these are some of the points that are given. Please note down the registration ID given above, which will be required for further communication with UPSC. The next thing is your application will be treated as incomplete and rejected unless you complete part 2 registration. So from here your part 2 registration will start, where you have to pay your examination fees, upload your signature and photo, and then you have to finally submit your part 2. So you have to click on the pay examination fee, and after you click on this, you will be redirected to the payment box. So this section is not for girls or for SC/ST and for SC/ST categories and PWD category. So this is only for the students who need to pay the 200 rupee fees. So when you click on this, you will be redirected to this page where you have to tick any one of them. So if you want to pay by cash, so you have to visit any SBI branch, and I will suggest you to click on this, and it is internet banking, credit card, debit card, UPI. So you can proceed with paying your 200 rupee fee, and once you have done with this, so this will be showing that you have successfully done the payment and your fee has been successfully submitted. So you can press the continue button. This is the continue button, and you will be redirected to this page where you have to choose the part 2. You will be seeing that the fee is paid, and it is in green. It is tick mark in green. and the next thing that you need to do is upload photograph and signature, and after that you have to go for center selection. The first you will select, you have to upload your signature and photograph. So after you choose that, this is what the details are showing: upload your scanned photograph and upload your scanned signature. So you will be choosing the particular file. So for your scanned photograph, it should be above 20 KB and below 300 KB, and same goes for your signature, and it should be having the correct dimensions which are mentioned here. And if you are having any trouble with the with managing the dimensions, you can check the link in the description. I have made a video how can you edit your photograph and signature and everything and upload successfully. For that I have made a separate video, so you can watch that video, and then you can upload your image. Finally you will be uploading your image, and then you will be seeing that your signature and photograph have been uploaded, your examination fee is paid. Now the next thing is center selection and agreeing to declaration. So when you will be clicking on this center selection and agreeing to declaration, so this part will appear, this pop-up will appear where you have to select your exam center. When you will click on this link, so these are the centers for our preliminary examination. So Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, the center which is nearest to your place, you will be selecting that center, and then after selecting that center you have to tick on this checkbox that I have read the declaration and I agree. So this is the declaration. If you want to read this declaration, you can read these 3 points, and you can proceed with clicking on this. And once you click on this, it will be showing you have successfully submitted your application. So all your parts, part 1, payment, photograph and signature upload, and center selection and declaration have been done. And the final part is for application status. You have to click on this link. Then you will be seeing this website, where this pop-up which will be showing you your registration ID and the examination for which you have applied, the part 1 detail, the part 2 detail, and everything you have completed. And for printing your application, you need to click here. So this was about the form filling of UPSC Geochemist examination. And if you want any other details, you can, if you are facing any other query, you can comment down. And if you want the previous year question paper, and if you want anything regarding this examination, I will be uploading everything on this channel. So you can subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.